Hello and welcome back to my desk. So today I have a Your Creative Studio unboxing. I've just actually lifted the tissue paper out of the box and laid it on my board to give a clear view of everything without the box lid knocking the camera. And I have to say, with the sneak peek that I've had, this is quite a special box. So the theme is unabashedly Christmas, and I love that, although I do love a winter theme from some of the other boxes that I've been getting. You can't beat a bit of Christmas stuff. I actually don't really, well, when I say I don't celebrate Christmas, I don't put up a tree, don't put up decorations, but God love you if you don't get me a present at Christmas. So the first up seems to be I'm going to assume it's a washi tape in here. Merry Christmas written on it. Let me see if I can get this open without too much trouble. Yes. Oh no, 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 no. Oh my goodness. It is a stamp. Oh, how magic is that? Well, I know who I'm going to have to beat off with for that one. And then if that's a stamp, this must also be a stamp featuring Santy, as we call Santa Claus, or Santa Claus here in Ireland. Santy with a Y. So let's see. Oh yes. Santa approved? Is that what it says? That's bonkers. Brilliant. I know exactly who I'm going to give those to. Now, let me see. What is this? It's a little snowflake. Seems to be a sort of a little charm. Possibly put it on a pencil case or even a necklace. I'm not sure, but I love it. I do have a collection of things that sit in my windowsill. And for the time being, oh, it's ink from one of the pens. I shall pop it there. Hopefully you can see that. That is absolutely adorable. We'll just lean forward and pop that on the windowsill for the moment. And as always, a little card from Amanda. Amanda's curation of boxes is quite something. Some little sticker tags, it seems, with a nice dear Merry Christmas. We say Happy Christmas in Ireland rather than Merry Christmas. Now, ooh, sorry for taking that out of camera shop. It is a washi tape with the days of the week, and it seems like a small space into which to write something about that day of the week. So that's lovely. Certainly use that in the old Dear Diary. This, I did have to see what it was. Would you look at what it is? It is a washi tape cutter. You clip it over the washi tape and tear it off. And I just think it's magical. I don't even know how to describe my wonder at this little item. So clever, and will come in so useful. Not that I travel with washi or anything like that, although God knows that day is probably coming. But I just love the cleverness of that item. What have we got here? A retro sticky note. Oh, we had something similar, I think, with a camera last month, and this one is a typewriter. Love it. So silly, so cute. Love it. Very large format washi tape, one of those sort of 4-inch ones. Let me get a ruler. This is a 6-inch ruler, so yeah, about a 4-inch washi tape of Christmas trees. And again, I'm going to have to beat people off with a stick for this one. They might have to share. Now, I have no idea what this is. I'm going to show my complete ignorance of what this is supposed to do. So what I might do is get a scissors and see if I can figure out what it is without making too much of a mess or too much noise. No, I managed to cut it not where it will open. Oh my goodness, not very clever. These videos really are a mishmash. Right, so is it little pieces of parchment paper with the word Christmas on them that just happen? Oh, I see, they are. And they just happen to be wrapped in this little very cute piece of string. Oh, I'm completely puzzled. All sorts of little Christmas trees and Christmas scenes. And what puzzled me just was the function of this, but there is no function to it. It is simply quite lovely. Yes, as I say, not somebody who celebrates Christmas hugely, although my family does. But I love all these things. They are so cute. and such perfect little stocking fillers and gifts. So hopefully not all my friends or family watch this video. Oh dear, sorry, just decanting things in a very haphazard manner here. Little wooden decorative items. And again, super cute. And as I say, although I appreciate some of the more winter themed things that have been in some of the boxes I've been getting, and in some of the other things, you know, a bit of Christmas is needed at this time of year. And I love that this has arrived in November. Let me just move that so it's not reflecting. Record your life. Travel. Let's go travel. Notebook. Oh, cute. Oh, I see. Oh, that's very sweet. So you actually just record the actual travel, what the weather was like, what your destination was, and when you arrived. Very Victorian lady who actually spends months on end traveling, rather than just the squeezed weeks that we have nowadays. Still, love it. And then some papers. Oh, yes. Oh, look at that. Love it. Maybe a bullfinch? I'm not sure. Or are they bullfinches? Oh, I don't know. Oh, now. I do like that one a lot. Feathery leaves. Excellent. Right. And again, having to open something, so excuse me while I do that. Just admire the feathery leaves there while I do this. So this is some stamps, some ink stamps. And let's see if we can look at them without too much shine. Dear, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, which we don't really say here. Christmas tree. Santa Claus post office. Oh, and a very nice impression of Santa Claus and his reindeer. Nice little snowflake. Yes, these are all very marvellous. Lovely. Say, another excellent box. Oh, one of the dogs has decided to start scratching now, which you can probably hear. So, another little wonderful collection. Just show that close up of that very long washi tape from your creative studio, and I'll leave the links down below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.